I'm here with Darrow Kia Madison. I've been asked to do a video with a quick market report of what has been selling this summer and what might be surprising with whether it is selling or not selling. So we have our stalwarts, the Sportage, always very popular, as well as the K5 with the new refresh. And one that has been immensely popular is the new Carnival with the 25 refresh. Exceptional looking car, even better looking than it was before. And these are flying off the shelf, and we have some exciting inventory available. This is one that is about to get cleaned up for a customer to take home that they have been waiting patiently for as a special order for quite some time. But you don't have to have that level of patience. We have available inbound new units that are due to arrive over the course of the next couple months. So if you're looking for one of these guys, don't want to wait 6 to 8 months, we have options. So continuing to be a great summer for Kia. The products just get better and better. You still have the best warranty in the business. And if you're looking for the right fit for you, shoot us a call or stop by today.